The holiday tradition in our family is to bake Christmas cookies at Grandma's house every year.
On Christmas Eve, our whole family makes homemade pizza.
Hello, my name is Kanoa Gerard. I'm from Aiea, Hawaii on the island of Oahu, and I'm a double major in secondary education and mathematics. During winter, I typically celebrate the traditional Thanksgiving, New Year's, and Christmas, but I also celebrate something called La'Kuoko'a, or Hawaiian Sovereignty Restoration Day. This holiday is typically celebrated on November 28th, and it signifies when the Hawaiian Kingdom got recognized by international countries as its own independent country in 1843. On this day, people typically celebrate by waving their Hai Hawaii or Hawaiian flag and eating local cuisine such as laulau, kalua pig, poi, and kulolo, just to name a few. Although I'm not returning to Hawaii this winter break, I am looking forward to spending time with my cousins in Texas this winter break. And also, I'm still looking forward to my first snow day as I am from Hawaii.
My favorite holiday tradition is getting together with my family on Christmas Eve and playing Minute to Win It games.
One of my holiday traditions is going to Mass on Christmas Eve with my family.
Hi, my name is Sofia Morales. I'm a sports management major and I am from Tegucigalpa, Honduras. For the winter in Honduras, we celebrate Christmas, just like in here. It's really important for us and it gathers our family together. We share meals, we share family time, and I really enjoy the break. With my family, we used to eat tamales. They're like a Hispanic food that families enjoy during this break, and it's basically a tradition to everyone eat and enjoy one of these ones. It's gonna be my first experience with snow. I've never experienced snow and I'm kind of excited to experience for the first time in here.
My family usually has dinner the night before Christmas. On Christmas Eve, we have this big Christmas ham, mashed potatoes, gravy, and the best corn, like the best sweet corn ever. It's Christmas time. I know it's crazy, but and then my family gets into our minivan. I drive the minivan currently, but we drive around our town. We look at all the Christmas lights, and it honestly just makes me feel right at home when I just know like Christmas is coming around, and I get to go home and see my mom and my brothers and my sister. So it's just, I love Christmas so much. And I like being here at Clarke too because I just feel like the community here just makes me feel right at home.
One of my favorite holiday traditions is getting a snow globe from my parents every year.
Hey guys, I'm Walid. I'm from Germany and my major is business. I'm looking forward to go to Las Vegas in my winter break, then to go to LA, and then to go to Nebraska, Lincoln, because I have cousins there to celebrate my first Christmas and New Year's Eve in America. And after that I go back to Germany to visit my family.
My Christmas tradition is staying the night at my grandma's house with all of my first cousins. We wake up at 6:01 precisely to open Christmas.